Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Made Simple. We are in the series of UPSC official answer keys for previous year UPSC question papers. So this is second question paper 2012 question paper with respect to UPSC official answer keys. So we'll go through answers briefly, we will not discuss much. So question number 1, in areas covered under Panchayat Extension to Schedule Act 1996, answer is B, 1 and 2 only. Question number 2, Parliament, answer is A, to allow discussion. Question number 3, with respect to National Biodiversity Authority, answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Second statement is wrong. Question number 4, National Green Tribunal Act, answer is A, 1 only. Question number 5, National Water Mission, answer is B, 1 and 2 only. Question number 5, National Water Mission, answer is B, 1 and 2 only. Question number 6, DPSP, answer is B, 2 and 3 only. Question number 7, answer is none. Union territories are not represented. So question number 7, answer is D, none of the above. Question number 8, with respect to consumers' rights, answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Question number 9, Lok Sabha Speaker, answer is B, 3 only. Question number 10, original jurisdiction of Supreme Court, answer is C, 1 and 4. Question number 11, following kinds of organisms, answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 12, biomass gasification, answer is A, 1 only. Question number 13, again here you will see some differences in answer keys. What is the role of ultraviolet radiation in the water purification system? Answer is A, 1 only. Question number 14, graphene, answer is C, 1, 2 and 4 only. Question number 15, lead ingested or inhaled. Again here you will see some differences. So question is, lead ingested or inhaled is a health hazard. Answer is B, 1 and 3 only. Smelting units and pens, and not pencil and not hair oil. Question number 16, stem cells question, answer is B, 2 and 3. Question number 17, chlorofluorocarbons, answer is C, 1, 3 and 4. Question number 18, a team of scientists at Broken Haven National Laboratory, answer is B, 2 and 3. Question number 19, scientists as evidence or evidences for continued expansion of universe, answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Question number 20, electrically charged particles, answer is A, the earth's magnetic field diverts them towards pole. Question number 21st, with reference to scientific progress of ancient India, answer is C, 1, 3 and 4 only. Question number 22nd, history of ancient India, answer is B, 2 and 3 only. Question number 23rd, which of the following can be said to be essentially parts of inclusive governance? So here answer is C, 2, 3 and 4 only and not 1. So many institutes have given different answers. This is UPSC official answer key. Answer for this inclusive governance question, C, 2, 3 and 4 only. Question number 24, Nagara Dravida, answer is C. Question number 25, Congress ministries, answer is D, none of the above. Question number 26, with reference to National Rural Health Mission, answer is A, 1, 2 and 3. 4 is not correct because conducting delivery of the baby is a function or work of doctor and not ASHA. 26, answer is A. Question number 27, with respect to Government of India Act 1919, answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Question number 28, during Indian freedom struggle, answer is B. Indian National Congress did not want to include social reforms in its deliberations and decided to form a separate body for such purpose. Question number 29, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, answer is B, 2 and 3. Question number 30, with respect to powers of Rajya Sabha, answer is B. Question number 31st, how does the National Rural Livelihood Mission seek to improve livelihood options of rural poor? Answer is B, 2 only. Here are some differences in answer keys. Question number 31st, National Rural Livelihood Mission, answer is B, 2 only. Question number 32, Multidimensional Poverty Index, answer is A, 1 only. Question number 33, Noticeable features or recommendation of 13th Finance Commission. Answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Question number 34. With respect to growth of manufacturing sector, answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 35. Parliamentary control on public finance in India. Answer is A, 1, 3 and 5 only. 4 is not the correct. So question number 35, answer is A, 1, 2, 3 and 5 only. Question number 36. Mahatma Gandhi took fast unto death. Answer is C. Question number 37. Rayatwari system. Answer is C, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 38. Economic development. Answer is C, 2, 3 and 1. Like they are asked the order. 38, answer is C. Question number 39. Overall index of industrial production. Answer is C, 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. Question number 40. Which of the following provisions of Constitution of India have bearing on education? Answer is D, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right. So similar kind of question was asked in 2020. Next question number 41st. Government of India encourages the cultivation of sea buckthorn. What is the importance of this plant? Answer is C, 1 and 3. Question sea buckthorn. Answer is 1 and 3. Same kind of question with respect to neem oil was asked, and there also UPC went against its usefulness in a biodiesel, right? So for 41st, answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Question number 42nd, mixed farming. Answer is C. Question number 43rd, particular state. Answer is A, Arunachal Pradesh. 44th question number, crops of India. Which of the following used as a pulse fodder and green manure? Answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Question number 45. Which of these factors influence ocean currents? Answer is B, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 46. Following statements with respect to wetland. Answer is A, 1 only. 47. With respect to crops. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 48. Again, when you travel in Himalayas, which of the following will you see? So answer is D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 49. In temperature with respect to height, answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Question number 50. Acidification of oceans. Answer is A, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 51st. With respect to CAG. Answer is C, 2 and 3 only. Question number 52nd. Janani Suraksha Yojana. Answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Question number 53rd. Prime Minister of India at the time of his appointment. Answer is A, need not necessarily be a member of one of the houses of the parliament but must become member of one of the houses within 6 months. Similar kind of question in 2020 with respect to Chief Minister was asked. 53rd. Then 54th question, Delimitation Commission. Answer is C, both 1 and 2. Question number 55. The employee social security related question. So answer is D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 56. According to Constitution of India. Answer is C, 1, 3 and 4 only. Question number 57. Deadlock between Lok Sabha. Answer is A, 1 only. Question number 58. DRDAs. Answer is B, 3 and 4 only. Question number 59. Fundamental duties. Answer is C, 1, 3 and 4. Question number 60. Autonomy of Supreme Court. Answer is A, 1 and 3 only. Question number 61st. With respect to thorium. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question with respect to meet its rapidly growing energy demand. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 62nd. Increasing amount of carbon dioxide. Answer is D, infrared part of the solar radiation. Question number 63rd. Answer is B, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. Question number 64. BT brinjal. Answer is C, 3 and 4. So again there are some differences in answer keys, but this is UPSC official answer. BT brinjal question 64th. Answer is 3 and 4 only. Question number 65. Other than resistance to pest. Answer is C, 1, 2 and 4. Question number 66. Most effective contribution of Dadabhai Naoroji. Answer is A, 1 only, because they have asked most effective, right? Some answer keys will vary here, but it is UPSC official answer. A only. Question number 67, Drupad. Answer is B, 2 and 3 only. Question number 68, Kuchipudi and Bharatnatyam. Answer is A. Question number 69, with reference to religious history of medieval India, the Sufi mystics. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 70, Rowlatt Act. Answer is B. 71st Lahore Session. Answer is A. Question number 72, Lord Buddha's image. Answer is B. Question number 73rd, religion of early Vedic Aryans was primarily of. Answer is C, worship of nature and yajnas. Question number 74, Brahmo Samaj. Answer is B, 1 and 2 only. Question number 75, RBI acts as a banker's bank. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 76, answer is 2 and 3 with respect to capital gains arise. Question number 77, with respect to money supply in economy. Answer is C, 1 and 3. Question number 78, with respect to for FDI. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. And we will see similar kind of question in 2020 on FDI. Question number 79, the price of any currency in international market is decided by. Answer is B, 2 and 3. That is demand for goods and supply and stability of the government, and not by World Bank and not by economic potential of a country in question. So here again be careful. Question on price of any currency. Answer is B, 2 and 3. Question number 80, lead bank scheme. You will see similar kind of question in 2019. Answer is C, individual banks. Question number 81st, assessment of land revenue. Answer is D, none of the above. Question number 82nd, with respect to guilds. Answer is C, 2 and 3. Question number 83, distribution of powers. Answer is C, Government of India Act 1935. Question number 84, revenues, large revenues of coal. Answer is B, 2 and 3. Question number 85, dark night. Answer is C, direction keeping pole star on his left. Question number 86, recently with respect to rare earth metals. Answer is C, 1 and 3 only. Question number 87, Tiger Reserve. Answer is B, 1, 3 and 4. Question number 88, duration of monsoon. Answer is C, both 1 and 2. Question number 89, with respect to tropical savanna. Answer is D, definite dry and wet season. Question number 90, answer is National Park B. Question number 91st, answer is D, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 92nd, which of the following group of animals belongs to category of endangered species? Answer is A, great Indian bustard, musk deer, red panda, Asiatic wild ass. So here you have to consider one thing. Whenever UPSC will ask endangered, you have to be very broader. You can include critically endangered and endangered. Don't think endangered as only endangered category. In UPSC, they will look broader. So they will include critically endangered also in endangered. So 92nd answer is A. 93rd, then capillarity. Answer is B, 1, 3 and 4. 94th, Millennium System Assessment. Answer is C, nutrient cycling. Question number 95th, Oryx and Chiru. Answer is A. 96th, following threats to biodiversity. Answer is A, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 97, answer is B, 1, 3 and 4. Question number 98, answer is B, 3 only. Agriculture practices. Answer is B, 3 only. Question number 99, phytoplankton. Answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Last question, vultures. Answer is B, drug used. So thank you very much. Again, you can join our UPSC Made Simple channel on Telegram and Forum UPSC group on Telegram. I will provide the link below. Thank you.